The Aardwolf Scissor Clamp Lifter is equipped with a rubber contact pad for the safe handling of materials. By means of a gravity-controlled locking latch, the clamp automatically grips and releases the materials. Suitable for lifting marble and granite slabs, tombstones, concrete barriers, curbs, and median walls. Features: auto locks and unlocks, long-lasting, high-friction replaceable polyurethane gripping pads, protective rubber-lined bar prevents the material from chipping.